I take the car and drive at night.
My name's Callie.
The white stripes blur and ease my mind.
So we go inside.
When all that's left's
Whoa!
a single line, instead of this confusion. And I'm not certain of the way it was, and I'm not sure what
Sup everyone, it is really pretty outside. The sun is setting. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, not that you can really see it because I'm in the way. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. God, that's beautiful. And the birdie just landed in the water. Okay, so what's going on right now is I didn't see the moon, and we're going after the moon.
That's all that I know for sure. I stop the car and close my eyes. I can see your face, but it takes
Good morning, interwebs! Afternoon, 11:54 a.m. I don't feel very good. But we're going to my dad's house to go swim and stuff, so maybe I'll video some there. Bye!
our suitcase waiting by the stairs. Oh, they're both worn out from all the years. They're ready to let go. And I realize the only thing that's sure is she said, I'm in love with someone else. She said, I fell in love with someone else, and I'm in love with someone else.
It's about to storm. We were just swimming, and now the rain is coming. It's very cool, and I'm taking it back here so you can see the clouds. Yeah, I have my guitar on my back. Look how wild this is. That's Florida for you. And everything is normal back here. Say hi, Father Stir.
Hi, Father, sir.
Say my name is Jeffrey Lee.
Hey.
And I'm
It's raining, it's pouring, the storm has not got to us yet, but it's over there. It's raining like crazy, man.
And I'm on my knees. Yes, and I realize the only thing I know.
I'm at a red light. Mandy doesn't like me filming when I'm driving, but I'm not really driving because the light's red. So how is everybody doing? I got a donation, and I checked this morning. I was like, oh my gosh, and it was the rest of the money I had to raise for Hoop Fest. So I'm going to Hoop Fest, homies. Thank you so much. You all are amazing people, and I love you so much, and you're just amazing. But light's green, and I kind of got to drive now, so bye.
You need to read that to the guy to donate the
Yes, mostly to the guy who donated the rest of the money. You're totally amazing. I'm not looking at the camera right now because that would be illegal and totally dangerous. So here it is